Oh. Oops.
No. You want the money?
Get some monkey.
His eyes got wide. His eyes are small, so he looked at it. Hit it.
Mello D. Mello D. Kitty, kitty.
Oh, his eyes are so wide.
Mello. You failed, little boy. Let's see that again. I want to see a replay. Do it again. He might not fall again, though. Oh, poor baby. Give us an encore, little turd. Flapjack the cat.
Push you off, stand up.
You're so lazy.
You lay down.
He's lazy.
Stop talking much. Eat it. Eat it. Well, let's just play that on video. That's bad with my face.
Turd. Kid turd. Take on peanut.
What I do is this, I make his eyes close.
Okay.
Open. Okay, now close.
Because you're flicking in his eye. That's the same as doing this. See?
Hey, look.
Mm-hmm.
Get Mello. Okay, watch his face. Okay, he's up. Now he's not. He's up. Now he's not. He's up. Now he's not. He's up. Open!
Let's do this. He opened them. He's lazy. Lazy Mello D.
Replay the video. I want you to replay the video.
I want to see the video. Please. Okay, hold on.
Big old forehead.
Big old head.
I felt too